birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And for the last time, mga bilisan kasi ang happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kyan. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so before you blow the candle, Ate Kyan, wait lang, Ate Kyan. Mommy and Daddy, what is your birthday wish to Kyan? Okay, so wait lang, sindihan ulit natin. Wait for my signal, ha? Before you blow. Okay, Mommy and Daddy, what is your birthday wish to Kyan? So, Mommy, go.
Good health and stay a good girl and lahat ng dreams mo sana matupad and lagi mag-pray kay Papa Jesus.
Yung wish ni Mami, same na lang para na-say. Happy birthday na.
Copy paste pala yun, no? Okay, so, Ate Kali, close your eyes. Meron pa ba? Meron pa. Okay, close your eyes, make a wish, and blow your candle. Yay! Malakpakan nyo naman si Kyan. Okay, so this time, si Happy